6:25 a.m. Goedemorgen. I am ready to do a before school run. Got my water, got my breakfast because I woke up too late. I usually eat just by myself and then just read a book here, an ebook, and I got my coffee because otherwise I don't think I'm gonna make it. So I will see you later. I'm going for a run and I'm gonna bring you along with me, but before I run I like to do some sit-ups because I notice that whenever I do that my stomach is a little more tight and I don't know, it just feels good. What? I'm gonna do sit-ups. Yeah! When I do my sit-ups I like to look up at the ceiling because I tend to go further when I do that, so yeah, well, enjoy watching. Hopefully you find this helpful. Okay, let's go for a run. I just want a little bit of water, and I had a few bites of this protein Special K peanut butter and chocolate. Whenever I get tired, I look at this 13.1 charm that I put on my shoelace because I ran a half marathon before, and this is like my little inspiration whenever I get tired. But yeah, it's ready to go. I'm gonna stretch real quick and head out. So I kind of wonder what the quality is like with me running. I just started it and I just want to let you know that I'm gonna get sweaty. It is 79 degrees outside, which is Fahrenheit, 26 Celsius. Pretty hot. That's why I'm wearing this. Oh, and the sky is all blue. I love it. Isn't this beautiful? It's man-made, but it's beautiful. If you saw it, but I was trying to film the dragonfly, but that pond usually has turtles in it. It's pretty cool. So also really like this ride. This is a 3-mile route, 1.5 there, obviously 1.5 back. The only thing that kind of stinks is the cars. If you want to just focus on nature, you can. The jungle hasn't been touched yet with awesome flowers and animals, and I love it here. It's so beautiful. I get some better shots when I walk back. Oh, it's hot. Nature grew out. These birds are out again. Probably dead animal. He was scared at all. And once I get to this pole, ready, and sprint. Nice. Look at this thing. So thankful for that I'm healthy and able to do this. What I'm about to show you is so magical. Just keep watching. here again. Hey birdie, I won't hurt you. When you run, you don't really want to smell burgers. I vlog and capture my life because I believe that the world as I know it is so beautiful and it should be captured. Because nothing lasts forever, you know? We know the earth is not going to live forever, but the sun, our sun, is not going to stay around us forever. I mean, look at this. I find this so beautiful. Those of you that wonder why, I find it beautiful because nature grows over what humans created. I feel like a lot of people nowadays feel like they own the world, and we don't. Like, we share this with all the other species, and we're smart, so that's why we created the world that we live in now, and that's why we shape certain things to make our lives more comfortable. But that doesn't necessarily mean it's good for the entire earth. But this is just beautiful to me. I mean, look at the bushes peeking through the fences. So much. This world is beautiful. It just sometimes takes a while to see the beauty, but there is beauty in anything. You're a good dog, aren't you? Yeah, you're a good dog. And now the shoes go off. Not completely done being outside yet. It is time to wind down, which is Lynx's favorite part, because I let him go out. This guy is ready! You're ready! Hold on, I have to open the door. I need 2 hands to do that. Have fun and explore. Let's go to the back though, okay? We explored the front and side yesterday. But that's the opposite way of where I want you to go. Yeah. Come on. Come on, Lynx. Going to the backyard. I love this place so much. Let's see. Right in the shadow. Oh, right here. That is the spot for me today. Lynx! Come here! Come here! Lynx! Come here! Come here! Why are you just standing there? Meow! Come here! Come here! We are having pretzel bites at the mall. They're really good. The Fiat 500L is growing on me. How much is this thing? It does not say, huh?